Automotive safety is a top priority for both manufacturers and consumers. One of the most demanding and revealing tests is the small overlap front crash test, conducted by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. This test simulates a collision where only 25% of the vehicle's front end strikes a rigid object at 40 miles per hour. The unique aspect of this test is that it bypasses the main crush zones, designed to absorb energy in a full-width collision, making it especially challenging for vehicle structures. This creates significant risks for occupants, particularly to the legs, feet, and other lower body areas. Now let's take a closer look at some recent models that perform well in this rigorous test. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class demonstrated impressive safety by earning a good rating in the small overlap test. Its structure showed remarkable resilience, with the A-pillar staying largely intact, preventing intrusion into the driver's space. The airbags deployed correctly, providing excellent protection for the head and torso, and the side curtain airbags worked to safeguard the occupant from outside objects. The footwell area also showed minimal intrusion, drastically reducing the risk of leg and foot injuries. This strong performance highlights Mercedes-Benz's commitment to safety engineering. Next, the 2024 Range Rover also earned a good rating in the same test. This luxury SUV proved that even larger vehicles can excel in this challenging scenario. The Range Rover's structure effectively handled the crash forces with minimal intrusion into the occupant space. The airbags and restraint systems functioned well, ensuring that the dummy's head and torso were protected. Considering the Range Rover's higher center of gravity, which typically presents challenges in crash tests, its performance is a testament to the engineering expertise in larger vehicles. The 2021 BMW 3 Series followed suit with another good rating, performing well in the small overlap test. Like the C-Class and Range Rover, the BMW showed strong structural integrity, effectively protecting the driver from injury. The test results showed minimal intrusion into the footwell and good control over the dummy's movement, ensuring that the risk of head, neck, chest, and leg injuries was kept to a minimum. This result reflects BMW's dedication to providing a safe driving experience, even in their high-performance models. The 2022 Nissan Sentra received an acceptable rating in the small overlap test. While the airbags deployed and provided some protection, the vehicle showed more intrusion into the footwell compared to the good rated vehicles. This indicates a higher potential for leg and foot injuries in a real-world crash, underscoring the importance of robust structural engineering in improving crashworthiness. The small overlap test is demanding because it applies crash forces to a small portion of the vehicle's front end, bypassing the main structural components like the frame rails. This puts a lot of pressure on the A-pillar, door hinge pillar, and other crucial areas, making it essential for manufacturers to design structures that can absorb these forces and protect occupants. In real-world accidents, small overlap crashes are relatively common, such as when a driver clips another vehicle, strikes a tree, or hits a pole. These types of collisions can lead to significant intrusion into the occupant space, increasing the risk of injury. This test evaluates several key factors: structural integrity, occupant compartment intrusion, effectiveness of restraint systems, such as airbags and seat belts, and how well the crash test dummy moves during the impact. The results offer valuable insights into a vehicle's safety performance, and manufacturers have responded by improving vehicle structures and restraint systems, making cars safer for everyone.